Prince Harry's private Facebook messages from 2011 and 2012 have surfaced in a London courtroom, and the quotes are something nobody expected to hear read aloud in public.
Here's what happened.
Harry has been in a lengthy legal battle against Associated Newspapers, the publisher of the Daily Mail and Mail on Sunday, accusing them of using unlawful methods to gather private information about him. The trial concluded on March 31st, and a verdict is still pending. In the final days of the case, documents surfaced showing what appeared to be Facebook messages between Harry and a woman named Charlotte Griffiths. At the time, Griffiths was working as deputy diary editor at the Mail on Sunday. She is now the outlet's editor-at-large, which means she is a senior employee at the exact newspaper Harry is suing. The messages were reportedly exchanged over several weeks between December 2011 and January 2012, after his relationship with Chelsea Davy ended and before he began dating Cressida Bonus. In one message, Harry allegedly wrote, "It's H in case you are confused by name and picture." Griffiths reportedly responded by calling it a fun weekend of naughtiness and referred to him as Mr. Mischief. A month later, in January 2012, Griffiths apparently wrote to him calling him H-bomb and saying she had missed him at a mutual friend's gathering the week before. Harry reportedly replied, "And this is the part that has everyone talking," calling her sugar and saying he wished he was there and would have been drinking her under the table. He then ended the message with the words, "Miss our movie Snuggles." Harry told the court that he did not know Griffiths was a journalist at the time. He said once he found out she worked for the Mail, he confronted the mutual friend who had introduced them and cut off all contact with her immediately. He also denied that Mr. Mischief was a name he used for himself. And the Associated Newspaper's lawyer actually admitted in court that this was a mistake on his side. It was Griffiths who had given Harry that nickname, not the other way around. At an earlier point in the trial, Harry had said he had never been friends with any journalists and that none of his close circle spoke to the newspapers. A ruling from the judge is expected at a later date. Harry is now 41 and married to Meghan. He and Meghan met in July 2016 and married in May 2018. These messages are from 14 years ago. But in a courtroom in London in 2026, they became front-page news all over again. Drop your reaction in the comments. Does this change how you see the case?